Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles south of Three Springs, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Scottsville, Allen Springs, West Fork, Settle, EAS, Raleigh Ford, Halifax, Claypool, Gainesville, and Polk. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. A tornado warning remains.